Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin just made a new record. We have never seen Bitcoin's market cap so high than it is right now. Also, we almost broke the all-time high in Bitcoin price as well today. Then I would like to talk about that Bitcoin is actually already on the 8th place on the top assets list by market cap, just overtook silver. And another thing I would like to talk about is all about that we had the second biggest volume day for the 10 Bitcoin Spot ETFs yesterday on the 4th of March. And finally, Stanford University also investing in Bitcoin. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Well, crazy times, really. Look at the price of Bitcoin right now, $67,108 but we were just, I'm going to show you in a second, $150 away from Bitcoin all-time high. Still, Bitcoin up 3% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum 7.5% up. Look at this, $3,761. Top gainer eCash going up 70%. Shiba, like meme coin, still 52% up. Theta Network 30%, and many others just going up very nicely. Among the losers, Flocky down 6%, WorldCoin 6%, Stacks 5-6%, between no major dumps whatsoever. And when we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see, look at this, what is crazy here. Bitcoin 2 weeks ago, it was at just below $51,000. This is the longest weekly candle in Bitcoin's history. And now when we're looking at the daily price, you can see today, here at the top, it's the highest. It shows that we have reached $68,849. This is $151 away from Bitcoin all-time high, which can now happen basically anytime. We are extremely close to this. Of course, it's a strong resistance. Think about Bitcoin all-time high. This is what we're talking about. It's not just level. After that, it's blue sky. We could draw here support and resistance levels after all-time high. You never know. So it's a very important one, to be honest with you. And because we got so close to it, we have a new record, and this is the record for Bitcoin's market cap. We have never seen Bitcoin market cap so high before. Okay, so because we are so close to Bitcoin all-time high, Bitcoin market cap is on all-time high actually. When we're looking at here the last bull market, then we could see Bitcoin's all-time high was roughly speaking around just under 1.3 trillion US dollar, and now clearly is above 1.3 trillion US dollar. And what is interesting, look at this, actually with that Bitcoin overtook just a tiny bit right now, and the place could be like jump back and it overtook silver. And now when we going a little bit down, then maybe silver just pops in front of Bitcoin. But we are in this territory, and as Bitcoin is now getting stronger and stronger, breaking to new all-time highs, it will leave silver behind, and then the next step is Google, and then we have Amazon. These are the top assets by market cap. Gold is the one leading with 14 trillion US dollar, but Bitcoin is already on the 8th place, and this is, to be honest with you, quite significant. And the two major assets here, gold, silver, and already overtook silver. And this is definitely a huge thing from an asset which is basically 15 years old. Right, then next topic I would like to talk about is we had the second biggest volume day when we're looking at the 10 Bitcoin Spot ETFs. We had that yesterday. So Bitcoin spot ETFs are still hot. Look at this. We had here the biggest day when it comes to volume. But yesterday, we had the second biggest with 5.5 billion US dollar, and IBIT alone, so BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF, did 2.4 billion US dollar. And when we're looking at actually the Grayscale outflows, look at this. Grayscale's GBTC Bitcoin holding have fallen 33% since its conversation, and that was, the trading really started on the 11th of January. So basically less than 2 months ago. And back then they had 620,000 Bitcoin, and now they have 420,000 Bitcoin, roughly speaking. So 33% is gone from Grayscale, and the only pressure for outflows is from GBTC. All the other guys, BlackRock, Fidelity, ARK, and so on and so forth, you name them, they basically accumulating. And look at this, each of them is up over 30% in 6 days. So this is how hot it is. This is the reason why probably Bitcoin is just keep going up now for a while. Right. Okay, and the last topic for today is all about that Stanford University also investing in Bitcoin. So now it looks like university funds can take that also serious and investing in Bitcoin. We have Stanford's Blade Fund allocates 7% of its portfolio to Bitcoin. So the student-run fund invested in BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF early as February. And, the student-run fund established back in 1978 in honor of legendary banker Charles Blade manages a 6-figure portion of Stanford's endowment by investing in stocks, bond, and other assets, which now includes Bitcoin. So that's also interesting. And they put 7% of the portfolio into Bitcoin. So we're going to see, in the future, hedge funds, pension funds, universities, institutions. Bitcoin is right now hot. This is now a fact. Like it or not, this is two different things. But we just now looking at the facts. There were times when it was much more scary and people said no way. But now, starting with Bitcoin spot ETF trading, it opened the door to many investors, and it looks like they like Bitcoin so far. The big guys. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day, I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain-related videos here on Blockchain Bloom. Simply subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss a single important information, because I keep you up to date. Also, if you like this kind of content, hit the like button. Highly appreciated. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.